7 habits to boost creativity in 10 minutes or less. You've got a meeting and you know you're going to be called on to help find a creative solution to an issue that the company has been having. The problem? You're not feeling in the least creative, and you only have a few minutes to find that spark. What are you going to do? Believe it or not, getting into a creative mindset doesn't have to involve a long, drawn-out process. You can boost your creativity in just 10 minutes or less. Here are some quick ideas to get you started. 1. Try some classical music. While music has already been shown to stimulate creativity, studies have shown that for the greatest effect, you're going to want to try classical music. Try something invigorating like Mozart. 2. Write the old-fashioned way, by hand. Not only do we remember things better when we write things out longhand, but we become more creative when we do. Try keeping a notebook near at hand. You can doodle in or scribble random ideas as they occur. 3. Travel in time. According to a study published in a social psychology journal, our problem-solving skills get a boost when we think about something that happened either a long time ago or something that will happen a long way in the future. So it's time to walk down memory lane, or to imagine where you will be in 10 years. Then revisit the problem. 4. Try looking at something bright and colorful, specifically green or blue. Again, studies have shown that looking at something in these colors will enhance your ability for tasks that involve deep thinking. Maybe it's time to invest in some new artwork for your office. 5. Gesture. By using your hands when you speak, you stimulate your brain, especially if you involve your non-dominant hand. So have a conversation with someone and be sure to throw some hand movements in to get those creative juices flowing. 6. Move your eyes. By sitting still and having your eyes rove around the room, you stimulate your brain to communicate back and forth across both hemispheres. So dart your eyes back and forth for a minute or two and see what happens. 7. Laugh. A positive mood makes for better creativity, so laughing, even when you don't feel like it, can create a mood more conducive toward creativity. To maintain that creative mood, take these items and build them into habits. By repeating these actions often, you'll get your brain in line with creative thinking, meaning that you'll become a more creative person. All in less than 10 minutes a day.